Robert Koch was born in 1843 inches, Clausthal, Germany, into a family that valued deep curiosity. As a young boy, he taught himself to read newspapers by the age of 5. He grew up with a brilliant mind, often looking at the world with a scientific eye. Koch studied medicine at the University of Göttingen, where he learned the power of observation. He became fascinated by the hidden world of tiny organisms visible only through a microscope. While most doctors focused only on treating patients, Koch wanted to understand the cause of disease. He eventually set up a small, humble laboratory right inside his own home. With simple tools and immense determination, he began his quest to uncover medical truths. At the time, many people did not believe that tiny microorganisms could actually cause human illness. Koch decided he would prove the germ theory once and for all. He turned his attention to anthrax, a deadly disease that plagued livestock and farmers. He carefully examined the blood of infected animals under his microscope lens. There, he discovered strange, rod-shaped bacteria living within the blood samples. To prove his theory, he isolated these bacteria and grew them outside of the body. He then injected the cultured bacteria into healthy animals to see what would happen. The healthy animals soon developed the same deadly anthrax disease. This was the breakthrough moment that changed the history of medicine forever. Koch had proven that a specific microbe was the direct cause of a specific disease. He established a set of strict rules known as Koch postulates to guide future research. These rules required that the microbe be found in every single diseased individual. It had to be isolated and grown in a pure laboratory culture. The microbe must then cause the disease when introduced into a healthy host. Finally, it had to be re-isolated from that newly infected host. These postulates became the foundation of modern microbiology and disease control. Koch did not stop his work with the discovery of anthrax bacteria. In 1882, he identified the bacterium responsible for the devastating disease of tuberculosis. This discovery paved the way for future treatments that would save millions of lives. He continued his travels to Egypt and India to study the origins of cholera. There, he successfully identified the Vibrio cholerae bacterium, further proving his theories. His work firmly established the germ theory as the standard for medical science. Because of his tireless efforts, the world began to understand how to fight infections. Koch became one of the most respected and famous scientists of his entire generation. In 1905, he was honored with the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. Despite his fame, he remained a humble student of nature and human health. He traveled across Africa and Asia, always searching for ways to stop deadly outbreaks. His life was defined by his insatiable curiosity and his desire to help others. Robert Koch did not invent a machine, but he invented a rigorous scientific method. He taught the world that evidence and observation are the keys to solving mysteries. His legacy lives on every time a doctor identifies a germ to cure a patient. He showed us that even the smallest organisms can have a massive impact on humanity. Today, we remember him as the man who brought the invisible world into focus. His dedication transformed medicine from guesswork into a precise and life-saving science. Every laboratory in the world today still follows the principles he laid down. Koch's story is a reminder that persistence can overcome even the greatest scientific doubts. He proved that with a microscope and a sharp mind, we can conquer disease. His work remains a beacon of hope for researchers fighting new challenges today. From his small home lab, he reached out to change the entire world. He proved that science is not just about facts, but about proving the truth. The impact of his discoveries continues to protect our health in the modern age. We honor his memory by continuing the search for knowledge and better cures. Robert Koch remains a hero of science and a champion of public health. His life proves that one person's curiosity can save countless lives across generations. Let us continue to look closely at the world, just as Koch did. The secrets of nature are waiting to be discovered by those who persevere. Koch's journey from a curious boy to a Nobel laureate is truly inspiring. He showed us that the smallest things often matter the most in life. We owe much of our modern medical safety to his groundbreaking, careful work. His spirit of inquiry continues to inspire scientists in every corner of the globe. Robert Koch, the man who proved germs cause disease, changed our world forever. His name will always be remembered as a pillar of modern medical history. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and like the video.